Hey folks, welcome to the Luggage Lab. I'm Dave. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some Cotopaxi product. Stick around with me until the end of the video. We're going to share a link that is going to give you 30% off of all of our Cotopaxi here this month. So today we're talking about some packing cubes. I have 3 different sizes as well as a combination set. The small packing cube is a 2-liter, the medium is a 3-liter, the large is a 10-liter packing cube. If you've never used a packing cube before, the whole idea behind them is to keep your stuff organized inside your suitcase. I have this guy loaded up with all my socks and underwear. I have this guy loaded up with all my t-shirts. I have this guy loaded up with, well, nothing today, but generally speaking, you can figure out what's going to work best for you. We have some folks who are going to put all of their Monday clothes in here, all of their Tuesday clothes in here, so on and so forth. Packing cubes are wonderful because they allow you to pack however you would like to go. A couple things real quick. Cotopaxi is a nifty company. They are out of the United States and they do all of their manufacturing over in the Philippines. 100% recycled gear. So they're using a lot of seconds off of tents and sleeping bags and so on and so forth to create their stuff. So that all important promotional code that I was talking about, you're going to want to type in on your order at Liebers.com. Coto30, C-O-T-O 30, all in capital letters. So capital C, capital O, capital T, capital O 30, and you're going to get 30% off of all of the Cotopaxi that you are aiming for. So as always, thank you for taking a look at Liebers.com, where we will sell you everything but the trip. Thank you.
So Dave, I think what the other thing we need to